Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As always, in today's video, if you saw my last video, I actually recreated this entire look that I'm wearing right now. And so in this video, I wanted to show you guys how to build on top of this look. So you're gonna go from this to this by only using one eyeshadow palette. Both looks, one palette. So if you want to know how I did this, then go ahead and keep on watching. So again, we are going to build right on top of this eyeshadow look. So the first color I'm going to go into is Bad Liar. And the reason why I'm starting with the darkest color first is because since this right here is a shimmer shadow and I want to keep it a shimmer shadow, shimmer covers up mattes so easily. So I would much rather build all of this darkness, which you can see here, and then I can apply the shimmer on top. Because sometimes when you apply the shimmer first and then the darkness starts covering up the shimmer. And I feel like it just starts to close the eye up a little bit too much. So if you watched my last video on this exact same look, again, same exact concept, no matter how bold and how natural you go, don't bring your eyeshadow too low. Just keep it exactly where your waterline would continuously go. So you can see I placed a few marks there. And again, I'm using a very large fluffy brush. And if need be, I can take my hand and just kind of wipe some of the excess off, which you can see right there. Again, using circular motions, I'm bringing it in. If you want to bring your eyeshadow up and out, I would recommend doing these kind of motions. If you're trying to bring it in, go this way, and then vice versa on the other eye. So we're just gonna go in, and then I'm also taking whatever is on the outer corner, and I'm just bringing it, literally dragging it in. So this is the slow motion of what I'm doing. Once I get the blending pretty much where I like it, you can stop right here. Me personally, I like to bring my eyeshadow really high up. And again, if you watch my last video on the last look that I did, I kept it very, very natural. So again, if you wanted to keep the exact same shape that we had on the previous eye, leave it at this. You can see here, it's a little bit more rounded if you wanted to, and you wanted to bring it a little bit more tapered, which would mean bringing it up to a point. Again, just kind of use your brush and just bring it up to that point. If you don't like it, again, you can take your finger, wipe some of it off, bada boom, bada bing. So realistically, if you did not want to add the red, what I just added right now, which again was that one single dark brown shadow on top of what we already previously applied, you could realistically leave it at this because you can already tell it's so much more bold compared to the last look. But since it's Valentine's Day, of course, I have to use some color. So I'm switching to a flat brush and I'm going into the color Legend, which is right next to that Lullaby color, which was the baby pink that we used, and the exact same application. I'm applying this right in the center of my eyelid and also kind of bringing it higher. So again, if you watch my last video, you saw that I only brought the shadows up to my crease, which was like right here. Now, because I'm going a little bit more bold, because this is a night look, I'm bringing it just a tiny bit higher up. Again, you do not have to do this. If you want to only keep your eyeshadow in the exact same area, but just build on top of it, and when I say build, I mean just add color. You can do that. Again, because I like to have a little bit more of a dramatic look, I'm choosing to bring my eyeshadow just a little bit higher than I normally would. And you can see by just doing this swiping motion, it's just automatically just blending right into that dark brown shadow. Again, we have the light gold from the previous shadow, so I'm going to leave that. However, I'm going to go back into that white gold, which was the pixie color, just because you can see it's blended, but it's not like super blended, so I feel like it could be just a little bit more. And then going back in with our original fluffy brush, again, wiping off all the excess on my wrist, a napkin, whatever you want. Going back in with that pixie color, which is the exact same one we just applied on the inner corner, and I'm just gonna pop this right on the brow bone, just for a little something. Oops, I accidentally got some of that eyeshadow into my brow. All right, and then last but not least, I'm just going to complete the under lash line by taking that dark brown shadow again, and just applying it right along my lower lash line. All right, so this is it for the eyeshadow. It's super easy. It took me literally less than 5 minutes to do both eyes. Super simple. So when it comes to eyeliner, when it comes to bumping up the look, obviously just doing the eyeshadow itself already is a bump up. So if you wanted to still use the same lashes, mascara, whatever it is you might want to use, go for it. Because like I said, just the eyeshadow itself is enough of a bump up. So I'm going to show you two different eyeliner styles. This is one of them, and this one has the lower eyeliner. But on this eye, I want to show you guys just upper eyeliner and a very small wing instead of this crazy obnoxious wing. All right, so I'm using the Inglot Gel Eyeliner, and it is in color 77, which is as black could be. I love their eyeliner. So I'm just using a bent eyeliner brush, and instead of doing this eyeliner, I'm going to start it very thin, because again, I just want to show you guys two different looks. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I just realized I was not in camera. Again, I apologize. I was not in camera, or not in focus at all. And then for my eyelashes, I'm using, these ones are by Eyelure. They are the number 126s, which are my holy grail. All right, so while my eyelash is drying, I'm going to take another layer of mascara and just apply this on the bottom lashes. So now that my eyelash is dried, I mean, for the eyes, this is it. Again, these are two completely different looks. If you want like bold, 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 obviously this one. If you want bold, go this one, which again, it all comes down to personal preference and what you are comfortable with and whatever you feel beautiful in. Now that we have the eyes done, again, even though they're two different eyes, we have them done. I want to bold up the face just a little bit. We need a little bit more color. We need some more shimmer. So that was the blush. And then for highlighter, I'm just going in with the Huda Beauty 3D palette. 3D highlighter palette. Oh, wait. Okay, so we vavoomed up the face, we vavoomed up the eyes. I think the only thing left are the lips. So since I already have a liquid lipstick on, again, if I were bumping this up and I don't have time to take off my makeup, I'm just going to apply something on top. So this is actually the MAC Dazzle Glass in Money Honey. It is a beautiful baby pink with like gold reflux. It's just, it screams sexy Valentine's Day. So, oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, you guys, here we are with the final finish. Two looks, I guess you could say. Both looks are very bold, especially to certain people. They're very, very bold. So again, like I keep saying in all of my videos, do whatever you're most comfortable with. Do whatever you feel most beautiful in. Do whatever you actually want to do. Hopefully you guys all have a great Valentine's Day. Not that it matters, because I don't think I've ever celebrated Valentine's Day in my entire life. No, I have not. So, woo-woo. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And like I said before, all of the products and everything will be listed down in the description box, along with all of my social media. Also, the previous video that I filmed with the natural look, I will also link down below in the description box as well. So that way, if you guys want to see that one, it will be available to you. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And until the next one, bye!